Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how to set up the number of series in Business Center, how to create the serial numbers, and how to add relationship. Basically, the number of series is something that you use in all the systems. So when you create a new custom, you need a number of series to be create the customer number automatically. So let's go and see how we can set up this and then how to use this serial number. Okay, so let's go to Business Central. Here we are in the number of series table. So let's go back a little bit just to show where you can find this. So you go here to explore, then you go here to setup, and you can see that you have number of series. Basically, what you need to do here is just to make this more simple. Let's create a new vendor number, and then we can see how to use this. So in this case here, I already have, and what I will do, I will create a external vendor number. So because in this case here, I want to separate my domestic vendor from my international vendor, for example. Just an example. So in this case here, I will click and I will create like a event, and I will put one just to differentiate a little bit, and then I can put here international vendor. Okay, let's put everything in capital letter, vendor, international vendor, and then here I need to define what is the start number that I will use. So here I can add the start date, or I can let empty, and then here I can define the number. So let's put event. I think I will put V and I, that means international, and I will put like 104. Okay, I can specify a number, or I can let empty. When I start to use, the system will fill this automatically. What is the last date used and last number used? He is like if I define like end number, it's good that you can come here and define a number that you should be informed. Like let's put here an example. So in this case, I will put 9. I 3 0 will be the last. And what I will do here is, let's copy this and say that when is 80, we should be I should be one that this number is finished. I will do this one by one, but you can choose here 10 by 10 or 100 as you want. Okay, and then I will click it's okay. I already create. Then what we will do here is just close. and then we can see here that I have my number of serial, and then what I can do here is specify if is a default number that I will use automatically. Yes. That if I can do this manually, I will in this case nothing. I will not assign this, because in this case what you do if you click here, that means that the user can change this manually. So I will not allow this. Date order for this kind of series, I think it doesn't make sense. This is important just when you are posting like invoice, that we want to check that we will not post it like the invoice 100 before the invoice 110, something like that. And then so let's see if you will allow gaps in the number of series. You can say if yes or no. I think in this case it's okay that we have gaps. If someone delete, it's okay. We don't need to worry about this. So here basically I have these numbers of series. But the question here is like how I will assign this, how I will guarantee that when I create a vendor in Business Center, I can select this new serial number. So here, what I can do, I can do a relationship between this number of series with my new number of series. So what I can do here, I will go to this series that I am using today to create my vendors, and I will add this new number. So what you can do here, you can click here in Navigate, then you go to relationship, and then here you can go and select the vendor one to make the relationship. Okay, so then what we need to do now, we go to vendors, okay, I didn't check if you are using this number, but let's see. So if I click here new, should be a company. Okay, so here you can see that I am using this V key, and if I click here, you can see that I have to, right? What I can do here is create a template just for international vendors. Today I have to company and person, and then assign this international. But he just select this just as a test. You change. Okay, in this case we didn't change the number. Okay, so let's go and see this template, because you need to change this first, because now I'm not allowed to add this. So let's see, open, let's open. Okay, so in this case here, as I want to show, and I don't want to change this template now, so let's cancel here. I will not use yeah. Okay, and in this case I will go and select the international. Okay, and then you can see here that I'm select this. But the best way to do this is to have a template for international vendor. This way the user don't need to select, they just will select the template and the system will run the number of series automatically. Thank you for watch this my video, and please subscribe my channel and add your comments. Thank you.